Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Shalini. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to create simple traditional party look with blue smoky eyeliner. And I am going to show you how I goes from this to this step by step. If you want to see more updates and live videos, you can follow me on Instagram as well. Link is in description. Now without wasting further time, let's begin. I am applying orange corrector as I have very deep dark circles and deep set under eyes. I am applying with this help of flat definer brush Vioni Belly 308. Now I am blending the product. Next step is I am applying primer on my face, and if you are my subscriber, you know the best way to apply primer is with the applicator brush so that product goes onto your skin and fill your pores. And if you are new to my channel, I will give you a link in description and I button how to apply primer on your face to get that perfect and flawless base. After applying the primer with applicator brush, I am blending the product all over my face. In next step, I am setting my corrector and my primer with hydrating setting mist, and next step is to apply a foundation over it. You can perfect that flawless base if you apply your foundation with a foundation brush. The brush I am using is from Vioni Belly 310. I will give all the link in description. And if you will dampen your brush like you do in Beauty Blender, then it will give you a more good coverage and more good blending. Plus, it will also not absorb your product into the hairs. But you have to squeeze out your excess water, otherwise it will hamper your foundation application. Now I am going to use the same flat definer brush which I used to apply my under eye corrector. Now I am using the same brush to contour my face, my nose. This brush is really very useful and multitasking, as you can use it for contouring, for concealing and for eye concealing as well before applying your eyeshadow. This is a flat brush. You do not need to blend the product again and again if you use this brush for your eye concealing before eyeshadow. Now I am going to blend my contour with a fluffy angular brush. I am blending it properly, otherwise the harsh line will look bad on my skin and my nose. Now next step is to blend all the product all over my face with a damp beauty blender. It will help in good blending, plus it will also not spoil your beauty blender. It will not absorb much of your product if it is wet. Be patient guys, I know this video is little longer, as you all know. If you know my channel, I really want to make detailed videos, otherwise I do not prefer to make videos, short videos and fast forward videos which is not clear. Things are not clear and in those videos, so you can watch this video till the end and enjoy each and every step. You can learn so much from this step, and step by step, if you wish to write down all the step, you can write down in copy as well. I hope this video would be helpful for so many of you. I am blending all my product and I am taking time. You have to be patient when you are doing blending, okay? Don't be in so hurry if you are blending your product, otherwise your makeup, your blending will not look good. Blend your product properly, take time, be patient. You have to blend your lighter product like foundation, highlighter first, and at last you have to blend your darker product like contouring. Please notice the step, guys. I am doing downward blending for my jawbone contouring, and for my cheekbone contouring I am going to blend it upward. In my next step, I am applying highlighting with a applicator brush. If you wish to apply highlighting with a flat definer brush, you can use that brush also after cleaning it with a tissue. Next I am going to use bronzer on my face, and I am applying this bronzer with the face contour brush. Face contour brush is designed in a way that it will give a proper shape and contour to your face. The face contour brush I am using is from Vioni Belly 311, link is in description. Next step is to apply blush on with a powder brush. I am going to apply blush on with a big fluffy powder brush over my contour, and I am blending it upward on apple of my cheeks. And if you have a question in your mind why I am not using setting powder, because I am already using so much powder like blush on powder, contour powder, so I do not need setting powder for my face. Please notice the next step. After bronzer and blush on application, I am applying the highlighter with a angular fluffy brush. It is up to you whether you want to use fan brush or angular fluffy brush. I am comfortable with the both. This is the same brush I use to blend my contour. Now I am going to start my eye makeup, and this is really very important to make your base, to conceal your eye area, lid area properly with a concealer or eye primer before starting your shadows. After creating the base, I am going to create a crease line. I am using this warmer shade with a round tapered blending brush. This brush is also from Vioni Belly 306. This is really very good brush, and I am creating a crease line with warmer shade with this fluffy blending brush. I'm going to repeat this step on my other eyes also with the same tapered blending brush and a warmer eye shade. After that, I am using a eye shader brush which is flat in shape, but same time it is fluffy. With a fluffy flat shape, this is called eye shader brush. With the fluffy flat eye shader brush, I am using orange color on my center lid, and I am blending it with my crease line. Next step is to fill your eyebrows. I'm filling my eyebrows and giving it a proper shape with a eyebrow pencil, which is in dark brown color. With the help of a spoolie, which is always given in dual-ended angular eyebrow brush, you can comb your brows and give it a proper shape, proper definition, so that if any excess product left on your brows and sticking in it, it would be looking bad, can be removed with this spoolie. With my fingertip, I am applying highlighting a shimmery shade which is very close to the shade I used before on my middle lid area, and I am applying it very smoothly. After this, next step, I am applying blue eyeliner pencil on my lash line, upper lash line and lower lash line. Then after applying this liner, I am going to smudge it with a brush. Next step to apply mascara, and I'm going to apply mascara on my lashes in upward direction. After applying mascara, my next step is to curl my lashes with eyelash curler, and I will use my eyelash curler when my lashes are semi-dry after applying mascara. After curling my lashes, I am going to apply fake eyelashes. I am using these Mink eyelashes, magnetic eyelashes on my lash line, and these are reusable, so I can reuse it for 50 times. I am addicted to these eyelashes as I do not like glue eyelashes. These are stress-free, mess-free eyelashes. Just we need to apply eyeliner, and after it get dry, we can apply our lashes on eyeliner with a tweezer. Till the time my liner is drying up, I am applying my lip liner. After my lipstick, when my liner will dry up, I will apply eyelashes on my lash line. I hope all of you have enjoyed learning, and if you like this look, please comment below. Try all these steps at your home and send me pictures on my Instagram DM. Do follow me on Instagram for all the updates, for live videos. And if you want to join our professional or advanced makeup course, you can call me at this number, or you can go to our website link. I'm giving all the numbers, contact number and website link in description. So stay tuned everyone, I'm going to bring much more content like how to become a social media influencer, how you can start your makeup artist journey, how I started my makeup artist career. So everything on the same channel. So please subscribe my channel, like my video and share this video to your friends and family. And if you want to connect more with my online makeup academy, you can join our Facebook groups. Link is in description. I'm going to give link in description box for my Facebook groups. You can join and connect with me with my academy there also. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.